Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rocket Money subscription management. Rocket Money is a powerful tool designed to help you track and manage your subscriptions, ensuring you never miss a payment or get charged for a service you no longer need. To get started, first download and install the Rocket Money app on your device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name and email address. You will then be prompted to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This is a secure process that allows Rocket Money to track your subscriptions and provide you with personalized recommendations. After linking your accounts, Rocket Money will begin to identify and categorize your subscriptions. You can view these subscriptions in the app, where you will see a list of all the services you are currently paying for. This includes everything from streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, to software subscriptions like Adobe and Microsoft. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to track and cancel unwanted subscriptions. To cancel a subscription, simply navigate to the subscription you want to cancel and click the Cancel button. Rocket Money will then guide you through the process of canceling the subscription, which may involve contacting the service provider directly. In addition to canceling subscriptions, Rocket Money also provides tools to help you negotiate lower rates on your existing subscriptions. The app will analyze your usage and provide you with data to support your negotiation, increasing your chances of success. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review your subscriptions and update your account information as needed. This ensures that the app has the most up-to-date information and can provide you with accurate recommendations. By following these steps and using Rocket Money effectively, you can take control of your subscriptions, save money, and reduce stress. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and regularly review your subscriptions to ensure you are getting the best value for your money. With Rocket Money, you can easily manage your subscriptions and make informed decisions about your financial resources.